Listen, don't judge me. This might be the ugliest bag I ever purchased in my life.
What?
Okay. I went into it knowing this bag is hideous. And I bought it anyway. So, listen. I ain't got no excuse. Let's unbox this ugly bag. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and we friends. Now, my jaw little, I had to get, listen, it's very emotional, leave me alone, okay? I had to get oral surgery on the bottom right here because my it hurt like a bug, okay? The swelling went down a little bit, but not all the way, and it still hurt a little bit. That's why I need to stop playing, because every time I laugh, it hurts.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jerry.
And I do it again. And I do it again. Like, do I like to suffer? What the hell? Okay. Y'all saw, did I put it on my stories? I think I put it on my stories. Child. Yeah, I think I put it on. I don't know. I be trying to stay off social media because, like, the way the world's set up right now.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Bruh.
Y'all know my mind, okay? In my mind, people crazy as hell. And I can't be bothered. I can't because I'm sensitive, okay? But I think when I saw this, Marc Jacobs has sent me an email. Yeah, he know me personally, okay? I'm not. Listen, they sent me an email and said that the Zodiac bag's coming out. And I was like, oh, snap. Yes, honey, yes. Okay? Because she's a proud Capricorn. Okay? Now, don't ask me what that means. I don't know. Like, I be fronting in these streets like I'm into Zodiacs and I know what that means. I don't know what that means, okay? But if it got something to do with me, I'm proud about it, okay? Listen, that's all I got, okay? That's my explanation. So when they saw the Zodiacs came out, I was like, yeah, I need to get that. Because I'm a Capricorn and proud of it, honey, okay? Now, when I saw Capricorn and Zodiacs, I was like, oh, it's going to be cutesy. Because, you know, I like a Marc Jacobs, especially in the tote bags. Y'all know that, right? And then I have my little Banzoo. Okay, this is my birthday bag. Y'all know the story, right? If you don't know the story, I'm sorry. You like, girl, I just met you. If you just met me, my bad. Okay, this is my birthday speedy. This bag is, I'm 42 or 43. Child, I'm 41. I'm 42. I don't know. Listen, I don't keep up. As long as I'm still cute, I don't care. Okay, but I'm 42. I believe I'm 42. I'm 41 or 42. Okay, and this bag was made the year and the month of my birthday, and I was like, yes, give me that. I had the leather replaced, and then Louis Vuitton came out with the Zodiacs. This was years ago, child. I think it was like 5 years ago, and it was cute, and I was like, yes, give me that, please, give me that. Okay, so this is my birthday bag. So when I think of like cute little Zodiac Capricorn stuff, I was like, okay, yes. I clicked on the website, child. Let's just open the bag. Let's just open the bag. Matter of fact, because y'all know usually, right, I be like, I'm not playing with no cardboard box. Okay? Y'all seen a cardboard bag. But this bag is so ugly. I was like, nah, they're not going to believe me. When I showed them this bag, they're going to feel like I've altered it. Like I had did something. Because why is this bag ugly? So I need you to be my witness. I didn't do nothing. It is literally this ugly. I just don't understand. Like, who was on the design team? Okay? And I know I'm talking shit. I don't have no plans to send this bag back. I don't. It says Capricorn. I'm a Capricorn. Gotta have it. Okay? But that don't mean I'm not disgusted and annoyed, okay? So, let's open this. Hold on, I'm playing. I'm messing around cutting myself. Alright, here we go. Where we at? Open. Child, I'm about to say I'm about to break my nails like I got nails. Okay, listen. The packaging nice. Okay, the packaging is very nice. But I know why they made it this nice. They're trying to distract me. Mr. Jacobs is trying to distract me from how ugly this bag is. It might have worked though. Hold on, I ain't gonna lie. It probably worked. Let me read. Hold on. Alright, that's cute. That's cute. Little wrapping paper and everything. Okay, little thank you card. Did he always send thank you cards? Nope. See, I'm telling you, it's a distraction. It's a distraction. Because I have, what I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 Marc Jacob bags. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bitch, I know you lying. I ain't lying. And 6 out of the, how many? Girl, what the? 1, 2. I gotta recount. Because this, I don't be real. I got a problem. Okay. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. Child, that's 6. And out of the 6 of the Marc Jacobs bags, 5 of them. No, I got 7, bitch. You forgot that one. 5 of the 7 Marc Jacobs bags I own are the tote bags. I say that to say, okay, I don't ever remember getting a thank you card in none of them, okay? That's how you know it's a scheme that Todd set up for Marc Jacobs to come to us with the bullshit. Okay, let me get into this bag, okay? But I ain't gonna lie. Oh! Y'all saw the reflexes? Because I'm a soldier. Okay, focus. Okay. I'm going to keep this, though. I don't know why I'm keeping it. I don't know. I like it. Leave me alone. Okay, here's the bag. Now, this is what I do remember. In this shopping bag, okay? Child. And it's in the army green. Yeah, I know I'm a soldier, but that don't mean just because I'm an army veteran don't mean I always like green. Not me wearing army green right now. I'm in walking hypocrisy. I swear to God, I forgot that was my other. Okay, anyway. It says style. I'm not reading all that. I'll put it on the screen and then I will link it. Okay, I will link it on screen in the description box because this a bunch of letters and numbers. I'm not saying all that. It comes in one size and the color is 983 Capricorn. Okay, and then I was hoping, like, right when I logged on, I was like, well, maybe you can, you know, pick the sign, but within the sign they'll have different color options, right? Nope. They said if you're a Capricorn, put this one in the box and ship it. If you're a Virgo, put this in the box and ship it. They don't let you choose nothing. Okay, here we go. Oh, child, I'm like, do y'all see it? Paper up. It's still ugly. I don't know what I was expecting. I really don't. I don't know what I was expecting. It's still ugly. It's still ugly, child. It's still ugly. But I'm going to stick beside her. Because she a cap. Oh, cool. Comes with a dust bag. Okay. I'm not going to undo that because I'm not going to keep it in the dust bag. I mean, I'm not going to put it in the dust bag. So I'm going to just stick that back in there. And then, okay, and it comes with a black strap. Which I'm not shocked about. Because, right, am I lying? Yeah, all the canvas, the tote bags come with a black stripe. Because, you know, like the leather ones come with the matching color of the leather. And then all the canvas ones are. Why did I undo this? Because I could just use a black strap that I already had. Child, I don't care. Stick this back. So it comes with an adjustable and removable black strap. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Is that jewels? I didn't know it was jewels on the bag. I guess that's the birthstone. I'm probably lying. I don't know. Is that the considered Capricorn birthstone? I don't know. Why did I think this was pink? This is purple writing. This is purple writing with a pink interior. Y'all see that? Hold on. Y'all see that? and then the writing is purple. Right? From the pictures, I thought the writing was the same. I mean, I don't care. I'm not going to do nothing about it. I'm complaining like I'm going to do something about it. I'm not. I'm keeping the bag. Because it's she a Capricorn, I'm a Capricorn. We go together. But like... And then they got it slap dab in the middle, the little horse. Is this a horse? The little unicorn? What is supposed to be? Right in the middle. I want to talk to who is on the design team, and also who is approving the designs of the design team. I need to call them, okay? Shoot me an email or something, because listen, okay. Not child. Okay, and the back says I manifested this day. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. That's what it said. But they lied. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I did not. I did not. Lord Jesus, my commitment to me is sometimes get out of hand. Okay, it is unhinged. Okay, so this is the size medium, I believe. Cause okay, let me grab it. Hold on. Yeah, cause this is canvas size small, right? And then this I know is a medium. This had one size on it, so I couldn't verify if it was a medium or not, but it is, because I know for sure this is a medium. So boom. So pretty much the Zodiac canvas totes are the tote bags in a size medium. Yeah, it's still ugly. I don't know when I unboxed it did I think I was gonna have a revelation to kind of share with y'all, just in case you thought they was ugly too. I don't. They still ugly. They are. But they worth having. I feel like they worth having. I'm gonna say that. I feel like they worth having because, like I said, it's a Capricorn. I'm a Capricorn. I'm stand beside her. I'm gonna stick beside her. Okay? Am I gonna wear it? Yup. With what? I don't know. Matter of fact, no. I'm about to say do it up. No, it don't go with this outfit. Maybe all black. Maybe my, I don't know. Child, I don't know. Maybe jeans and a white t-shirt. Boom.
Boom. And there we go.
There you go. When all else fails, get you some boyfriend jeans and a white tee. Oh, Lord. Oh, but bright side. Well, is it a bright side? I don't know. It was 258 Zulas. Girl, that's not a bright side. That's how much they canvas coats cost anyway, ain't it? Okay, good people, that is it. That is the unboxing of the Marc Jacobs Zodiac bag. I would say, do you want to see a what fits? But like, I think I've done a what fits on my medium canvas totes. I think I did. If I did, I will link it. If not, let me know. Where the problem ain't no problem. Final thoughts in the bag. Is it ugly? Yup. Am I going to keep it because it still has the same qualities as one of my favorite bags, the Marc Jacobs Totes, and it's a Capricorn? I sure am. Sure am. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Sure am. And if I'm walking down the street, somebody be like, girl, your bag ugly, I'm like, and is, what you gonna do about it? Okay. I will have, if they're still available, I don't even know if this is, it's probably a special edition, limited edition type of situation. I don't know. I didn't check, honestly. I saw a Capricorn and I said add to the cart, but this ugly as hell. So I don't know if they limited edition. If I can link them, I will link them on the shopping prompt and also in the description box. I'm going to try to remember the pin comment thing. But y'all, the way my memory's set up, I'm going to try though. But y'all got to remind me when I be saying I'm going to do stuff and don't do it. Because I don't mean no harm. This is the way my memory's set up. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Because I ain't gonna lie, y'all have heard the story from me many times, but also I'm consistent, nothing changed. Okay, with everything going on right now in the world, okay, I don't really care about a bag. Like, I care about a bag when I see a bag and it get my attention, like this one. Or like I get annoyed and I want some retail therapy and I'm just like, I need to find a bag. But like how half of my day was consumed about bags, like when I'm not stressed out about society, I'm just not in the mood. And I told y'all, like, you never gonna get me coming on this camera line in front. I'm just not gonna do it. If I'm not in the mood, I'm just not in the mood. Okay? I'm just not in the mood. Just like if I don't like something, I'm not gonna lie and say I like something. Okay? It's just not in me. Okay? And plus, I'm not good at it and I'll get clocked easily. You like, girl, we know. Okay, but of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then keep up with me. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.